All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and we're going to look at a 2024 Kia right now. All right, so this EV9 concept isn't going to be out for about another year or so. It's a 2024 concept, and we know it'll probably vary a little bit from the actual concept form. However, the interior is really cool. I know those headrests probably won't stick around, and I'm sure that the massive sunroof won't be there, I don't think. But yeah, really cool looking concept. I like the overall dimensions and proportions, and if they can keep the theme of the interior going when they actually make this thing. You know, sometimes car companies do things you don't expect, and I did not expect Kia to make such a cool looking EV. It's gonna have around the same amount of range as that Hyundai. It's because they're based on the same platform, so around 300 miles of range. You charge up to 80% within like 20 minutes. So this is going to be able to do a lot of cool stuff. Move your entire family, move over, a minivan. Bam. Now you got this. This is great. I like it. What do you guys think? This or the Hyundai? Which one do you like the looks of better? I mean, this looks more production ready, so I'm going to go with this. The Hyundai was cool, but it looked not like what would come out in real life. This is more closer to production ready, I think. Probably not the wheels, probably not the interior, but still overall dimensions looks more production ready, so I like it. Leave your comments down below which one you guys would get, or would you guys buy something else? My name's Eric, this is Cruise Control, thank you for watching.